Alright, YouTubers, I'm back. I just got paid today. So, yeah, you know how I always said my muffler, Cadillac converter was plugged up. Well, it ain't no more. Because there's my Cadillac converter. You're wondering, Jeep is cut. No Cadillac converter. How louder it is, how much better it is. Oh, here we are. Alright, guys, hang on, I gotta close my garage door real quick. Okay, well, I'm gonna try my best to give you guys something. But hang on 1 minute, okay? Oh, shit. Alright guys, well, that's a little bit, it ain't welded in yet. So there you go. Let's see if I can get you guys an undershot here. There you guys go. Jeep Cherokee, guys. Done. Oh, not done that way, but, well, since I get the muffler shop, have them welded up. Because my welder does not work, because I don't have one anymore. So I will see you all later.